Good day, sir and madam. I'm Leticia Lumuntad. I'm 41 years old. I'm married. I have two daughters, 19 and 14 years old. I live in Manila, Philippines. I work in Hong Kong for 2 years and I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and newborn baby. My duties are taking care of the baby, housework like cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes and dishes, cooking, and marketing. If you will hire me, I will try my best to do my duties and responsibilities, and I'm willing to learn and follow the rules and regulation in your home. Thank you and God bless you.